Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got that Olympia SM-7 on the bench to add all the sticky bars and sticky pads. It's all fixed. But in the repair process, I noticed something funny, and I started turning, and well, this knob turns, but does not turn the roller. So there's the roller, but this knob just turns, but it's not quite what you think. So looking closely at this, let's get this zoomed in here a little bit. All right, so you'll see when the knob on the other side turns everything fine, but if you grab this, it's just this white portion is separated from the green portion. These are supposed to be together, these two pieces, and then this variable is separate. I've seen these separate before, so if you look real close, you can see there's a gap right there, but if you turn this, there's a sweet spot here somewhere where it slides over right there. See that? That's where it fits right there. And there's actually 3 spots I noticed. So I marked this, see a little mark right there? And then there's another mark right there. There's where the perfect fit is, right there. See that gap move in and out right there? So I'm going to put super glue. I'm going to move this like that, and I'm going to put super glue all through that little gap right there, and also where it's slipping right in that gap right there. You can see that also is a gap right there in that chrome piece. So I'm going to just try super glue initially. Not sure if it's gonna hold, but we're gonna, I think it will. I think I've done this before. It's so tight that once you get all that in there, it works pretty good. So get your thinnest super glue. This Loctite stuff was rated the best by Project Farm. You gotta trust that guy. He does some pretty good videos. So let's just see if we can get a drop right in that little gap. Just all the way around here. It's a little tip on this guy. It's a little compromised, but it is what it is. So, okay, so that's all the way around. Let's put a little back right in that little slot back here, like that. Oh, I have a little on my fingers. Okay, now okay, so it's already kind of stuck where it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to wedge this in here. I already kind of pre-arranged it so it would fit and kind of hold that tight. Just like that. Now I'm going to let it sit for a while. Super glue sets up pretty fast, but I'm going to give it an hour. Make sure it's got a fighting chance at this. And let's roll the surface out. There we go. Make sure it's tight. And that's it. I'm going to set it aside, and I bet you that works. If not, we'll have to take this knob off and see if there's something else I can do there. Wipe off some of this excess. It's going to be fine. Okay. Let's give that a try, let it sit. That's super glue knob repair time. Good day.